We are back, baby. WarpDriveM is back, and I'm so excited today or on this episode because today is my birthday, and for my birthday I've bought a hot gift, and I'm really mean it a hot gift because I bought a 2025 5 Series G60 that was burned to the ground. So it's hot. Now that I've bought the car, I just have to make some room here in the front yard to put the car in here because I don't want to have it right now in the garage. It's going to take a while till we can move the car. Winter is coming and I want to use the garage for my cars, and that's why we are going to put the car in here. Other people or normal people are buying for the birthday like Lambos and stuff, or a new Dacia. It doesn't matter the price and the range, they are happy for new stuff, and I'm happy with the destroyed car. Not really sure what's wrong with me, but I like these strange cars, not really sure why. So anyway, let's drive the 4 Series out, and yes, I'm so excited. I have just a few minutes and it should be here. Don't get me wrong, I really love my 4 Series, that's why I have this car for 4 or 5 years already. Oops. And I will keep this car maybe forever because I really like the car. It's drivable, has a lot of power, enough power to be daily driven. And yeah, maybe that's why I'm not going to get rid of this one soon. And yeah, let's not forget the design. I have in here some BMW wheels. These are for a 5 Series F model. These are for my car, I think. This one is for a 3 Series, so maybe some of these wheels will fit because we have 2 flat tires in the front and we cannot roll the car, so we need 2 wheels. Let's hope something is going to fit from here. I have in there some wheels, so I'm pretty sure we are going to find wheels that are going to fit. If not, maybe the model is so new that won't fit any kind of wheels. We are going to drag the car because it's destroyed anyway. Got the message, 5 minutes and it's here. It's here, boys, it's here. So this might be the first problem. We have to find a key in order to remove the wheels. Let's hope this is the one. Yes! So we remove the wheels. I don't have any wheels that fits the pattern, but we have just one lug nut. It's enough. The car started to roll already. It's taking a lot of nerve, and to be honest, I'm a little bit scared because check this out, everything is sketchy in here, but we are going to manage to do this, that's for sure. On this side as well, just one lug nut. Let's hope it's going to be enough just to roll the car back. And it's here. It was sketchy, to be honest. It was a little bit of nerve-wracking, but it's here. Let's check what we bought. Holy moly, it's way worse than I thought. Not way worse than I thought. It's, of course, fire damage, everything is damaged, that's for sure. It's total loss, that's as well for sure. But let me show you something. So apparently BMW knows how to do doors. Oops, we have in here something. Oh yeah, the front bumper. Parking sensor are here. This is an M package. I just have to check all the documents from the car to see which kind of options this chassis had, and yeah, we go from there. We have a lot of parts that are not from here. Is this working? USB-C. I'm pretty sure we are going to find a lot of stuff. Oh, check this out. What can this be? It's now like a treasure. So we just have to check our treasure to see what we have. A document, some sort of document. For something. Yeah, nothing important for me at this moment. This looks nice. Maybe we can use this. Oh, we have an ECU in here. Yes, maybe from a headlight. We have some water. We have seat belts. Nice. Harman Kardon system, sound system. We have the vest. Okay, we have the 20-inch, I think. 20-inch wheels are in perfect shape. The brakes are new, of course, because the car is brand spanking new. The backlights are new and in perfect shape. These ones. So, of course, the fire workers cut the boot in order to take the battery, I'm pretty sure, but it was too late for sure. So here we have no damage. And check this out, this brand spanking new car had 1 liter 2 liter of oil. Why on a brand new car? We have some wheels cleaner, all-purpose foam cleaner. So this company can't. I was working on this company for 10 years, or 10 years ago I worked for this company. That's crazy. It's really crazy, and I'm pretty sure it's good, and we are going to use this for sure. Oh, it doesn't matter. We have the triangle in here. We have a belt, that's bonus. Another ECU from the headlights, that's for sure, looks like. We have a lot of gloves in here. 1 pair in here, another one in there, another 3 in there. So yeah, this is the cover from here. We have the fuse panel in there. Okay, this one, yeah, oil, we saw that. Okay, sponge. What do we have? Oh, the tow hook is still in here. That's perfect. Nothing more in here. This part doesn't come off because I'm pretty sure it's the battery in here. Oh, by the way, this car I didn't knew till now because I received the documents and everything. I just wait to receive the keys because I want to read the keys to take all the infos from the car. This car is a 520D diesel hybrid, so I'm pretty sure that's why it caught on fire, because of the battery, something like that, or because, not really sure. In fact, I have no infos about this car whatsoever. But yeah, it's a 2 liter diesel engine hybrid. Like I said, I didn't knew that at all. I just want the chassis. To be honest with you, I just want the chassis from this car. So let's continue our research and our exploring the treasure that we have. This door opens as well. We have some water in here, another vest. Wet. I received with the car. This is the rear bumper, that's for sure. We have parking sensor in here. Pretty sure are not good. Intercooler is not good at all. That's the hood, that's for sure. 1 headlight. Anyway, let's try to remove. Oh, this car was with self-driving features, because we have the radar in here, or at least it had ACC. A cat cap, so this might mean something because we had a lot of vest in there and a lot of gloves in there. A cat cap, so this car was from a company that was doing some building or construction work. Yep, this handle is melted, but I've managed to open the car on the inside. This part still works. Oh, my jack stands, because we are going to put the car on the jacks immediately, because we have just one lug nut and I don't want something to happen or hit my car on the the trim is aluminium, maybe. We had a button, we still have the button here. It's working, yes, of course. We have the touch screen or touch sensitive trim, lock and unlock, Harman Kardon. All the buttons are still working. The boot button, why didn't they use this? What do we have in here? Here is nothing, but here is something. Oh, okay, I'm going to use these glasses when I'm driving the car for the first time. That's for sure. The pedals are still here. It's kind of strange. Plastic that melted. This is the mirror, that's for sure the cover for the mirror. Parts from the bumper. Oh, the glass from the mirror is in there. The steering wheel is not locked. It's kind of strange. The back wheels are not locked as well. That's strange as well. This is the new dash, and in the middle under the cover we have a light sensor, I think. It's going to dim or make the screen brighter. It's going to be a problem to remove all the parts, or maybe they use the turn signals. That's why the car burned. Maybe the seats are burned completely. I hope that the airbag is blown because of the heat, because the car didn't have any accident. Center console, but we are going to check that when we are going to start removing parts. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Let me try again. Yeah, it's working. Okay. First things first, we are not going to do anything. We are not going to remove anything from the car. We are going to put the car on jack stands and put that tarp underneath. And I already ordered 2 tires for the original wheels, because the original wheels are brand new. Of course, the car is just 2 months or 3 months old, and just the tires burnt. Now let's try to figure something out to put the car on jack stands. Let's try to find something that is holding. We have the jack in there, and yeah, in here maybe you can see this part that holds the wheel assembly or everything is melted as well, so we need to replace that for sure. We have the engine here, or what's left from the engine. Haha, EGR system in there. So yeah, a lot of good stuff in here. Everything melted, man, everything freaking melted. Okay, let's put the car on jack stands and we go from there. I've started to remove some stuff, but holy smokes, everything is cooked in here, like really cooked. And yeah, I found a fan, engine fan. It's hanging tight in there. I have a puddle in here. I started to throw some stuff in the garbage, in the bin, and I start to make some piles of plastic and scrap metal. And yeah, I removed the bumper from here. It's It's not that bad. Of course it's bad. So let's not discuss this stuff, how bad it is. It's really bad, of course, but I need the chassis, like I said, so we have to remove everything. Before I close the video, because like I said in the beginning, this is my today is my birthday. So yeah, we are going to remove this latch and take this panel out, because I'm pretty sure the battery is in here. It doesn't matter now, but I want to remove the battery and to see if the hybrid battery is here, because we have to remove that as well. Check this out. So yep, in here we have the hybrid battery. We have a 48-volt battery. Now I'm going to start remove everything. I'm pretty sure it's dead, so that's why I can take everything out. I remove the coolant pipe for the battery, but first, before I do anything else, I'm going to measure with a multimeter that we have no power whatsoever. Normally it has any kind of power because the car already burned, so it's short circuit for sure, but let's be sure. And yeah, we are going to measure if we have any kind of power. Checked everything, we have no voltage whatsoever, so I knew that from the beginning, because this one is toasted. I removed some stuff. I'm not going to film anything because this is dangerous stuff and I don't want to give some ideas to somebody else that has no idea how to work with this stuff, and this stuff, like I said, is dangerous. Everything is removed. I'm going to take the battery out now. Normally should come out because everything is removed, like I've said. Let's see. Yes, and we are going to place it here in the garden. If everything happens, it can burn in here. Now, with all of that being said and done, I'm going to clean a little bit around the car. I'm going to clean myself. Like I said, today is my birthday. I'm going to have a few people come by, and in the next episode we are going to continue with this one. Now it's safe. It was safe before because everything was burnt, but we have no battery whatsoever, and we are going to continue with the front of the car. On the inside I'm going to leave everything as is because it's a lot of stuff. We need to continue here removing the front end of the car. We need to scrape all the plastic that is melted in there, everything out. I'm going to receive, I hope till the next episode, the tires. We are going to install the tires on the wheels which are in there, these two ones. And after that we have to take the engine, the gearbox out, the exhaust, because we need a shell, we need a chassis, like I've said, and we can do an assessment how bad it is. Of course we have to remove this shock tower and replace that, but this one is like an aluminum stuff. It's glue and riveted in here, so it won't be any kind of problem. The car doesn't or is not bent or twisted or stuff like that. Everything should be fine in there. And when after I receive this part, we are going to have a rolling chassis, that's for sure. We need to clean first the chassis, to treat the chassis, sandblast the chassis, and yeah, all that stuff till the first layer of paint or prepare to be painted. And from there on we are going to decide what we are going to do with the chassis, or maybe this one will go in here. That's an idea as well. Or maybe we are going to buy a donor car that is completely smashed and we are going to move from the other one to this one, and the job done. If you want to see more progress on this project, the G60, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.